Hey guys, this is going to be a test on all my smoke detector fire alarms in my house. I got all of them connected, and we're going to go ahead and do a test. So, what we're going to do is, I believe, let's do first is I have ice tickling. Just continue, and they're going to go off. So, just to let you know, it's super loud. Just be careful. And my mom and dad, you need to discard the fire alarm. We're just doing a video test.
With the group that we happened to see while we were in the train station walking through sort of.
And it's about to go off in 2 seconds.
Some of the camouflage on, and we thought this is an interesting group.
There goes my room's fire alarm first, and all the other fire alarms are going to go off after my room.
Didn't have anyone that they were planning on meeting on the other side.
That's actually my dad's in my room right now.
That part of the plan hadn't been hatched.
He just ignored the fire alarm actually, because he does not like listening to fire alarms. So, there they go off, the other fire alarms. So they're about to reset.
So it was concerning to hear this group of 6 people who said they had never met each other until they all arrived in Poland, that they were going to go ahead and
They're all the fire alarm tests.